Live trading videos. We all know you guys love those live trading videos. So that's exactly what we got for you guys today. What's up, everyone? It's your boy Madaz from MadazMoney.com. And first off, I'd like to give a quick shout out to the man whose jersey I'm repping today, Eden Hazard, number 10. If you guys follow football, you guys know, hell of a footballer. So you must be wondering why I'm wearing this red jersey. What's the symbolic meaning behind it? Well, I must confess, I made a losing trade. Yep, that's right. I lost money. Haters and trolls rejoice. Bask in my sorrow. In my moment of absolute despair. Man has lost money? What a f***ing loser, man. I knew this little punk couldn't f***ing trade for shit from the start. I'm so finally glad I can see this little idiot fail. What a loser, man. Not so fast. Okay, so before all you haters start to jump for joy because you finally get to see Madaz lose the money, okay? No money, no honey, okay? Yeah, I can do that because I'm Asian. So in this live trading example, I'm going to show you guys how I took a loss on the short side of MRIN and correctly switched biases to the long side to go from red to green. Yeah, I know Germany had a shitty World Cup. So find out how I did it all in this video. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm still trying to figure out this whole green screen deal. So if I look like a pile of pixels in the video, I do apologize. I'm still a green screen noob. Just bear with me here. So with regards to this trade, we're going to pick it up right here, right before MRIN resumes. So this was a trade that took place yesterday on December 19th, 2018. And this is right before MRIN is about to resume. It just halted on a circuit breaker. And as you can see, I was actually stuck short on this trade, 2,000 shares at a 612 average. So I'm actually going to be down on this position. I'm already down in the position, but I'm going to be down as it's going to gap up. But here's the thing. This is how I managed this trade and how I was able to get out, stop out for a loss with confidence, and then flip directions and go long and then make the money back and then some. Okay, so this isn't my flashiest trade, but conceptually speaking, I feel like this is very helpful. A lot of you guys out there want to see me show my losses, my losing trades, and how I manage them. And this is a really good example because not only do I take the loss, I put it behind me very quickly, and then I move immediately to the long side, and I move on, execute the winning trade, make my losses back almost right away, and just keep looking ahead. Profits and the loss rearview mirror. So right here, I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to do that. And essentially, the mindset, the idea behind it, the psychological mindset that you need to have is that you got to not think about the fact that you're in the losing trade. You shouldn't think that you're already in the stock. Okay, if that makes sense. Pretend like you're not in the trade yet. What would you do? So in this situation, normally what would I do? I would be looking for a halt, resume, wash out long. Okay, so this is how I'm going to treat the play, the same exact way. Now, I'm just exactly what I said. I'm ignoring the fact that I'm in short already, and that I'm probably going to lose money on the trade. But again, I'm not going to let that hinder my judgment and prevent me from seeing the fact that this is going to be a long opportunity. And I'm going to be stopping out of the short, and I'm going to be flipping long, and I can still make money. I'm not going to let the short and the fact that I'm going to lose money on the short drag me down and prevent me from making the winning trade, which is going to be the halt, resume, wash out long. So what I end up doing is I just treated this as a regular halt, resume, wash out long. again, if I'm looking to cover my short, it's still a buy, right? So where would I be buying for the halt, resume, washout long? Right here you can see the support line drawn. 620. You can see also on the daily chart. This is my new setup, by the way. I'm on my 4K monitor. The reason why the screen looks like this because this is a cropped portion of the 4K screen. So I'm just cropping out everything else, leaving just the MRIN part. So I'm able to include an hourly chart and a daily chart to see longer term supports and resistances. So you can see that 6.2 ish is a resistance level, or now should act as a support level. Prior resistance should act as support, new support, and it's from the daily chart, as you can see right there on the right bottom right hand side, the daily chart. So I'm looking at that level for a halt, resume, washout long. If this were to gap up, say to like 650 or something like that, if it opens here, maybe a washout down to 6, and that's where I'll be looking to cover my short. And if it actually washes down to 6, I'd actually end up covering the short for a profit, but that ended up not being the case. But had it done that, I would have actually made money on the short, even though this was a pretty bad trade. It would have been bailed out. But in any case, I'm just going to treat this as if I was looking for a halt, resume, washout long, and that I wasn't even in the trade to begin with. And you'll see that I'll actually try to buy more shares than I'm looking to cover, so that way I can cover my short for a loss and close it out, and then simultaneously open a long position and then just trade the stock as if I was just looking for a halt, resume, washout long. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, guys. Really excited to show you guys this. You guys finally see how I manage a loser, turn it into a winner, and let's see how I do it. So we pick it up right here, MRIN about to resume. As you can see, I'm still stuck 2,000 shares short on this position, looking for the halt, resume, washout long to that 620 area off the daily. You'll see me put that order in right there. Not getting filled. Try to go in with 12,000 shares so I could be net long, cover the 2,000 short and be net long 10,000 shares. Probably not the best idea because there's not enough liquidity for it. If I probably put in the 2,000 shares for the cover, I probably would have just gotten it. So now as a result, I had to stomach this move and still be down unrealized on the short. But you'll see that I'll actually go down again around that 630 area. And I put in another order right here and I start to actually get filled to cover my short, and then I'll be net long on the trade very shortly. There we go. Now I'm starting to get filled long after covering the short for a loss. You see my realized P&L going down. Now I'm already up on the trade. You'll see that this is basically the bottom here around that 630 area off of that level 2 read right here, also coinciding with more or less that 620 level off of the daily chart. Again, guys, love this new layout. 4K monitor, daily chart, and the hourly chart also can fit on this screen. Now we get a pop back to 660, and you'll see in a second off this tape right here, you'll see me try to sell this. Ends up being the nice little top tick right here. It's dancing around, but I'm still not in a bad spot because I basically got the perfect entry. 630. So I'm in the green this entire time while this thing is dancing around. It's a very comfortable feeling. Not down in the position, not really at any big risk. Even if it dumps, I can probably get out for break even. There's a bid prop there, you see, pushing this thing to 60. Then I get on the offer. Sell it at 63 to lock in the profits. And there you go, guys. As you can see right now, I recovered my losses on the long and then some on top of that. So as you can see, I ended up not only making back, but after it was all said and done, net positive after what was a bad spot where I was stuck short as the stock was making new highs and in a halt to boot. So it's all about understanding the setups, guys, and managing the trade and not letting the fact that I was down on the trade get to me. Not dwelling on the negatives, only focusing on moving forward and what I can do to make my situation better, guys. So as always, guys, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way the next time I post another awesome live trading video, you guys will be the first to know. And of course, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and check out our website, our new trading community, madazmoney.com, where we learn stuff like this every single day with our live trading commentary. So, of course, as always, guys, it's always a blast. We'll see you guys next time.